Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a culinary innovation that has transformed home cooking, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0, paired with its handy vacuum sealer bags. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is sous vide cooking? Pronounced sous vide, this technique involves cooking food in a water bath at a precisely controlled temperature, allowing for consistent, edge-to-edge perfection with minimal risk of overcooking. It's a method that professional chefs have used for years, and now, thanks to Anova, it's accessible to everyone. The Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0 is the latest iteration of their flagship product that started a home cooking revolution back in 2014. This third generation brings some exciting upgrades. First off, it features dual-band Wi-Fi for enhanced connectivity, allowing you to cook and monitor your meals from your mobile device. The two-line touchscreen display is another great addition, enabling you to view time and temperature quickly and easily. The Anova app is your new best friend in the kitchen. Not only can you browse a plethora of recipes to inspire your next meal, but you can also monitor your cooking process from anywhere. Whether you're planning an elaborate weekend feast or a simple weeknight dinner, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the vacuum sealer bags that come with this product. You'll receive 50 pre-cut bags that make meal prep a breeze. With easy tier tops, you can quickly drop your food in, seal it up, and get cooking without fuss. These bags are designed specifically for sous vide cooking, featuring a 7-layer double rib design for efficient air extraction. This means even during lengthy cooking sessions, your food maintains its integrity without being squished. Safety is also a priority with Anova. Their vacuum sealer bags are 100% food safe and free from harmful BPA plastics, ensuring that the only thing leaving the bag is whatever delicious meal you're preparing. The vacuum sealer itself is a robust upgrade from their minimalist model. It's designed for ease of use, allowing you to clamp, vacuum, and seal bags with just one hand. Plus, it features a wet function mode for sealing juicy foods, ensuring that you won't lose any of those flavorful marinades. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a home cook looking to elevate your culinary skills, the Sous Vide Precision Cooker is perfect for you. It's also great for busy individuals or families who want to prepare meals ahead of time without sacrificing quality. Imagine coming home after a long day to perfectly cooked steak, tender vegetables, or even dessert. Thanks to the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker, you can achieve restaurant-quality meals right from your kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.